afternoon. Um, it's such a lovely day today. It's a bit cool. You can feel that it's autumn. Uh, I received a order for a 2XL safari shirt that I have to deliver on Tuesday. So I thought let me make a video of the process again, and for those that are interested. Uh, yeah, I washed the cloth. I bought the cloth and it's a 10-meter cloth. So I might wash it before because of the shrinkage. The Rami linen tends to shrink. So yeah, so now I'm just going to give it a good iron, and so that when we cut the pattern that everything is nice and flat. I overlock the seams on the beginning and the end side, so that the material doesn't unravel when you wash it. So now just to give it a nice quick iron, and then I'll cut the patterns. So this is a 2XL. So I ran out of 2XL. So I think what I will do is I'll swim make two of them, and then one has it. Now's not the time for safari shirts. The plan is not to sell them in the summer, but I do get orders. So because it is getting winter now, and well, it's actually autumn, but it's here. There's already reports of snow towards the east. So maybe this will be an early winter. But today is still a lovely day. It's still autumn. The leaves haven't fallen off the trees yet, so everything's still green. What I'll also do, I use these scissors, but I don't think they are the best scissors. But yeah, I think I must, at some point in time, I'll buy myself a proper pair of scissors that will help to keep the cloth flat when you cut. also maybe change the weights so that you can keep it flat and your hand can move more easily past the weight. So I'll finish cutting and then we'll come back again.